know if you guys can tell, but there's a transport truck in front of me, cab in front of him, 4 other cars in front of him, and I'm doing 50 kilometers an hour on Highway 1 eastbound. People are pulling over, as you can see. Yeah, anyway, this is the shittiest drive home I've ever had in my 11 years of driving. And I'm glad I have my video camera with me. And I'm now doing 40 kilometers an hour. So yeah, anyway, if I don't risk my life... Oh, there's another car with its hazard lights on doing like 40. And if I don't risk my life or end it tonight, I hope you all have a great night.